Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks for supporting our videos. In this segment, we'll explore additional maintenance tips to ensure your Sienna remains in top condition. Let's get started. Ensure the heating system is operational. A functional heating system is crucial for comfort and safety. Check that your heater and defrosters are working efficiently. This includes making sure the blower motor, thermostat, and other components are in good condition. Winter preparation is essential for safe and smooth driving in cold conditions. By taking these steps, you can avoid common winter driving issues and ensure your Sienna remains reliable. Summer preparation. Summer heat can also take a toll on your vehicle. It's important to make sure your Sienna is ready to handle the higher temperatures. Here are some tips for summer preparation. Air conditioning maintenance. A properly working air conditioning system is crucial for comfort during hot weather. Check the AC system for any leaks and ensure it's blowing cold air. If it's not, you may need a refrigerant recharge or have the system serviced. Check coolant levels. The coolant helps keep your engine from overheating. Make sure the coolant level is adequate and replace it if it's old. A coolant flush might be necessary if it hasn't been done in a while. Inspect belts and hoses. Hot temperatures can cause belts and hoses to dry out and crack. Check for signs of wear and replace any that look worn out or brittle. This helps prevent potential breakdowns and keeps your engine running cool. Summer preparation focuses on keeping your engine cool and ensuring comfort during hot weather. Taking these steps will help you avoid overheating issues and enjoy your summer drives. By following these seasonal maintenance tips, you can keep your Toyota Sienna in excellent condition, no matter the weather. Stay proactive about these tasks and you'll be ready to face every season with confidence. Maintenance versus professional service. Maintaining your Toyota Sienna can be done in two major ways: handling it yourself or bringing it to a professional service center. Each option has its own set of advantages and situations where it makes sense. Advantages of DIY maintenance. Taking care of your own vehicle can be a rewarding experience. There are several benefits to doing DIY maintenance. Cost savings. When you handle maintenance tasks yourself, you only pay for parts and tools. Labor costs from professional centers can really add up, and doing it yourself saves you money. Convenience. You can work on your car whenever you want. There's no need to schedule an appointment or wait for a service technician. You control the timing. Learning opportunities. Working on your own car gives you the chance to learn new skills. This can be empowering and make you feel more confident about handling future issues. Plus, you get to know your vehicle inside and out. Maintenance isn't just for mechanics. With the right resources and a bit of patience, anyone can tackle basic car maintenance tasks. When to seek professional help. While DIY maintenance is great for some tasks, certain situations call for the expertise of a professional mechanic. Here are a few instances when professional service is necessary. Complex repairs. Some repairs are too complicated or dangerous to handle on your own. If you need to work on your transmission, timing belt, or anything involving the car's computer system, a professional's skills are required. Advanced diagnostics. Modern vehicles are equipped with sophisticated technology that requires specialized equipment to diagnose. Professional service centers have state-of-the-art diagnostic tools that can pinpoint issues quickly and accurately. Warranty preservation. Performing certain tasks yourself can void your vehicle's warranty. If your Sienna is still under warranty, make sure to check which services need to be carried out by certified professionals to keep your coverage intact. Time efficiency. Sometimes, you simply don't have the time or desire to perform maintenance or repairs yourself. Professionals can usually do the job faster and more accurately, saving you both time and hassle. In summary, while DIY maintenance offers cost savings, convenience, and learning benefits, professional service is vital for complex and high-risk repairs. Knowing when to do it yourself and when to seek help will keep your Toyota Sienna running smoothly for years to come. Keeping records of maintenance. Keeping detailed records of your Toyota Sienna's maintenance isn't just about staying organized. It plays a crucial role in upholding your vehicle's resale value and ensuring compliance with the warranty. Importance of maintenance records. Proper maintenance records can significantly enhance your Toyota Sienna's resale value. Here's why. Proof of care. Buyers want to know the car has been well taken care of. Detailed records act like a report card, showing all the TLC your vehicle has received. Better valuation. Vehicles with documented maintenance generally fetch higher prices. People are willing to pay more for a car with a clear history. Trust and transparency. Being transparent about your car's history builds trust with potential buyers. They can see exactly what's been done and when. Maintenance records are also essential for warranty compliance. Here's why. Warranty claims. Manufacturers often require proof of regular maintenance to honor warranty claims. If you can't prove the car's been properly maintained, you might end up paying out of pocket for repairs. Scheduled services. Keeping up with scheduled services and having the records to show for it helps ensure that all aspects of your warranty remain intact. Tools for tracking maintenance. With today's technology, tracking vehicle maintenance has never been easier. Here are a few tools and apps to help you stay on top of it. My Carfax. This app provides reminders for maintenance based on your car's mileage and service history. It's easy to use and offers personalized service schedules. AutoCare. AutoCare allows you to track multiple vehicles and keeps track of all their maintenance records. You can set reminders for upcoming services and log each task performed. Toyota Owner's App. Toyota's own app offers features like service reminders, vehicle maintenance history, and even online service scheduling. It's tailored specifically for Toyota owners, making it a perfect match for your Sienna. Google Sheets or Excel. If you prefer a simple, customizable option, creating your own maintenance log in a spreadsheet is straightforward. You can include columns for date, mileage, service performed, and notes. Physical logbook. For those who prefer a tangible record, a physical logbook kept in your glove box can be just as effective. Just make sure to keep it up to date. Maintaining a detailed record of all services performed on your Toyota Sienna is not just a good habit but a smart investment. Whether you're planning to keep your Sienna for years or eventually sell it, these records will pay off. Plus, in today's digital age, countless tools make it easier than ever to keep track. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your Toyota Sienna in top shape. Following a set schedule for oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and fluid checks can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your vehicle. Whether you do it yourself or seek professional help, staying on top of your Sienna's maintenance tasks ensures it remains reliable and safe. Seasonal adjustments and detailed record keeping also contribute to a smoother and more enjoyable driving experience. Make regular upkeep a priority, and your Toyota Sienna will reward you with years of dependable service. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.